How to set up Klarna Autopay. Tired of manual payments? This guide shows you how to set up Klarna Autopay so you never have to miss a payment. First, open the Klarna app and go to your settings. You can find this in the main menu or at the bottom of the screen. Look at the payment methods section and tap on it. Since you don't have an access to a payment method right now, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. On the payment methods page, you'll see a button that says Autopay. Tap on it to open a new menu. You'll be able to select a debit card that is already linked to your account. If you don't have a debit card linked, you'll need to add one first. Once you've selected a debit card, tap on Activate Autopay. Klarna will then automatically deduct your payments on their due dates from the selected card. It is a great way to stay on track with the payments and avoid any late fees. You now know how to set up Klarna Autopay. Get ready to never miss a payment again. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.